Hello everyone, welcome to the video lecture series of Theory of Automata and Formal Languages. We are about to start the unit number 5 where we'll be learning about Turing Machine. So we have successfully completed all the 4 units where we have learned about starting with finite machines, then we have learned about regular expressions. We also learned about regular languages and how to identify those. Then in unit number 3 we have learned about context-free grammars, and unit number 4 we have learned about the acceptor known as the push-down automata. And in this unit we'll be learning about Turing machine. So this video will explain you what and all topics we are going to cover in this particular unit. According to my way of teaching is that everyone should be aware of what you are going to study or what we are going to learn, right? That is most important. So that's why in the beginning of every unit I am trying to include the topics that I am going to deal with. Okay, so after finishing off what all with topics whatever I have mentioned over here, definitely there will be a few more other topics as well which I haven't mentioned over here, and those will be dependent on the questionnaires that has been asked in different type of universities, different type of competitive exams. Okay, so that will be it will be updated in regular basis. But if you have to understand or you have to get the updated videos and all, you have to subscribe my channel. Okay, and then also you can hit the bell icon. Okay, and if you're having any suggestions or comments, please you can comment down. If you want from my side to include any more topics, definitely you can comment down below. We will look into that. So in this particular unit you will be learning about mainly these topics that I have already mentioned here. Okay, almost 10 topics we'll be learning, but yes, this is a number, but definitely it will increase as we'll be learning a lot of examples in this unit. So as we noted, this understanding after all the different concepts starting from finite state machine till push down automata, we came to understand that what's the hierarchy of this particular machines and all. Okay, and what is the power of this Turing machine, what is the expressive power of this Turing machine, everything we came to know. But in this unit we'll be learning in depth about how to construct or how to find out a Turing machine, how to construct a Turing machine, okay, based on a particular language, how Turing machine generally acts. So these are the basic important topics that we are going to check it out in this unit. Okay, so these are the few parts that we'll be discussing. These are completely theoretical topics that you will be having. Okay, the basic theoretical knowledge that you should have about Turing machine, where we will be learning about the various kind of data structures that is being used. This is just a comparison for all the finite state, starting from finite state machine till Turing machine, whatever data structures we are using. Okay, and definitely we should know the initial configuration of a Turing machine, and along with that we must be aware of what are the operations being performed on the tape that is being used in Turing machine. Okay, we'll be looking, these are basically the introductory topics. Okay, then important topic that you should know about is the formal description of the Turing machine. Okay, and Turing's thesis or Charles' thesis was what generally he explained, what two conditions he has explained, and that is a very important question from students who are pursuing any kind of BTech examinations and all. So definitely during the examinations this question is a important one. Okay, then we'll be looking into the different types of Turing machines, different variations in Turing machine, multi-track, multi-tape, then multi-head. So a lot of Turing machines are there, different ways of expressing Turing machine. So that we will be discussing in this unit, in this lecture. Then we'll be looking into the Turing machine, what are the recognizable languages. Okay, so that we'll be discussing in this unit, starting with recursively enumerable language, then recursive language, then total and partial functions. So these topics we'll be discussing over here. Then in lecture number 6 will be, from lecture number 6 mainly the problems will be coming out. The languages will be given to you, then you have to construct a Turing machine. We will be looking into the different ways of languages. Okay, it may be a Turing machine as a transducer, Turing machine as a universal acceptor. Okay, different languages. Then we will be learning about Turing machine as an adder, subtractor, then multiplier. Sorry. Yes, if you talk about adder or if you talk about a transducer, then a Turing machine as a transducer, then we have to look into the concept that how a unary system can be converted into binary system. So if you understand this scenario, then you'll be able to understand that how we can convert to other number systems as well. Okay. Then one more topic I have left out over here, that is 2's complement, 1's complement. Okay. So these are the basic examples that we'll be learning. So almost we will be learning 10 to 11 different kind of examples. Okay. And finally, these are some theoretical topics. What do you mean by halting problem of a Turing machine? And then we'll be discussing about some problems known as decidable, undecidable, solvable, not solvable. Okay. And finally, this particular post correspondence problem, which was described by Emil Post in 1936, I think so. Yeah. So that in that way, the post correspondence problem came into existence, and we will also learn about this particular problem. And hope I think it is clear to everyone that what we are going to cover in this unit, and sequentially you can look into this agenda, and then you can follow up with the videos. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. As I have already suggested you, that if you're having any kind of queries or suggestions, please comment down below, and also do subscribe my channel to get the updated videos. Thank you.